Is the Hillary or Hillary? I guess it, I don't know. Hi y'all, welcome to my channel. My name is Ann and today I am going to be unboxing a Stitch Fix box. Stitch Fix is a styling service where you give them all of your parameters and your wants and needs, and they will send you 5 items based on that. And generally they're curated, they're styled. Keep what you want, send back what you don't in a postage paid envelope. If you keep all 5, you get a 25% discount. If you've never tried Stitch Fix before and you'd like to, I'll have a code down below where you will get $25 off your first box, and I'll get $25 off my next box. You pay a $20 styling fee, which will be applied towards anything you keep. So with a $25 referral credit and your $20 styling fee, that gives you $45 right there. I will have all the information down below. I would love it if you would like this video. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe, and I will get into this box. One of the things about Stitch Fix that I really like is that they give you, well, number one, you can shop their website, and it's Stitch Fix's website. They have what they call freestyle. Just order online. When you do that, they also offer you the free shipping for any returns. I have no idea what's in here. I did not pick any of this. Here's the envelope. I've got 2 bundles. One is a big fluffy something, and then the other one, lots of really great fall colors. You get a note from your stylist. I have had several different stylists for whatever reason, but the last few times I have had Ash, and she's done a really good job. If she doesn't spell my name right, like they give you suggestions on how to style, and they also will online take the items that you have bought and they will suggest items that they have for you to buy freestyle. You also get the invoice, which I will save for later. Let's get into this box. This is the Hillary or Hillary. I guess it, I don't know. I don't know why I said Hillary, but it's the Hillary or the Hillary button detail sweater by Letty and Me. It's this pretty fall color. It's got these wood buttons, faux wood buttons. This is pretty long. It's a little bit longer in the back than in the front. It has the seam down the front and the back. We will see. Next, this is the 9 Britain Dahlia brushed knit top. This looks a little familiar. I don't know. This looks really cute. Super, super soft. This is banded at the bottom and at the sleeves. It feels really good. We will see. It just looks kind of big. Okay, this is the Letty and Me December side button detail sweater. Oh, this is cute. It's got the rounded bottom. It has the faux wood buttons on both sides. I think this is super cute. Last in this bundle is the Just USA Terrac high rise straight leg jean, and this is cute. I like this color. It's kind of a burnt orange, kind of a rust, or a rust I guess you would say, than a burnt orange. I have heard that colored jeans are going out this season. I'll have to do a little more research, but I do think those are really cute. And then last, this is the Coffee Shop Leonie Wubby hooded vest, and this is cute. This is really cute. Ooh, nicely lined. That feels really good. It does have the hood. There are no pockets, no buttons, just the vest, which I think is really cute. Let me go try these on and we will see what we think. I'll be right back. All right, we are gonna start with this Coffee Shop Leonie Wubby hooded vest, light gray, size medium, $68. It feels so good. It does have 2 pockets. I think I said it didn't have pockets, but it does have 2 pockets. It's got really pretty lining. The hood in the back. Super cute. I think it's very cute. It is warm because I'm getting warm in it, but I think this would go with pretty much anything and everything in the fall, but I like this. I think it's really cute. This is the Letty and Me December side button detail sweater in black, size medium, $46. Not a bad price. I like this. It feels really good. This is so right up my alley. These pants are the Just USA Tarek high-rise straight leg jean in red. More of a rust to me. Size 6, $58, so not bad at all. I think I just styled this with my own belt that I got from Amazon. I think I got like 3 or 4 for next to nothing a long time ago. This is it with this sweater tucked in, and I think the sweater is not necessarily one that needs to be tucked in, but I think with these pants, I think if you're going to wear these looser pants, a straight leg, on me, I think that this is too much. Got these side buttons. I think these are both cute. Let me know if you've heard that colored jeans, what do you think about that? Are colored jeans out this year? I sure have a lot of them. Kind of like skinny jeans. I hope they're not. And I have heard that skinny jeans have been rebranded. I think I've said that in another video. That they've rebranded them as slim jeans because people are just kind of bucking the system on that one. I will be back with the next top. Okay, this is the 9 Britain Dahlia brush knit top. I think it's a pretty top. I like the color for fall. I like the color with these pants, but I don't have it tucked in. But this is just what it would look like if I did. It loses me maybe with skinny jeans, slim jeans, maybe leggings, but certainly not with these pants unless you tuck it all in. And I don't know that I want to add that much bulk to my midsection, but here it is. There's that back seam down the center, and then same here, and then the buttons. I don't know, I just want to, I may think completely differently looking on the camera, but in my mirror this did not do a thing for me. So let me know what you think. I'll be right back with the next, and I believe the last. Okay, this is actually the 9 Britain Dahlia brush knit top, not the other. The other mustard colored shirt was the Letty and Me Hillary button down detail sweater in mustard. They're calling this mustard, and I am not calling this mustard. If you have this mustard in your refrigerator, you need to throw it out. I guess, or it could be Grey Poupon. I don't know. I don't ever buy that. But this does have the animal print. Let me tell you, I'm kind of thinking all the sweaters might be a little bit bigger than I really like. The fact that the sleeves are this long is a big hint, and then I just, this has the band, which I feel like should be more fitted, and it's super comfortable. I could actually sleep in it like pajamas, but I don't think that I will keep this. Where I'm leaning is the black sweater and maybe the really mustard sweater. I'm gonna look at it again and think if it was in a small instead of a medium, would I like it more? I don't know. Y'all let me know what you think. Let me give you a real quick wrap up. The stylist pick subtotal is $266. minus the 25% buy all discount, which that's not going to happen, and free shipping, of course, always, and that would leave my total to be $199.50 if I kept everything, which I'm not going to. I don't think I'm going to keep these pants. I just don't think they're that flattering on me. For me not previewing anything, honest to goodness, I thought this was like a really good box that really fits my style, just maybe not my size. Not a bad box at all. Thinking about those two sweaters. Oh, I like the vest too. I forgot about the vest. Did I tell you how much that was? I did. Those are the three things I'm considering, and really the black sweater is my first, and then the other two I'll have to think about. That is it. Let me know what you think. Please like and subscribe. I will see you next time, y'all. Thanks. Bye-bye.